Sa free space.
No.
And now for our feature presentation.
Okay, everybody, we're going to do game 2 of my run of combination lock for the DOS, in which so far I've won myself $1,600 in cash. But let's see if I can do better this time around. We've still got Hunter and Corey joining in. Let's get going. This time I'm going to do 2 for average for the contestant, computer contestant. I'm going to go with 17. Locked, okay?
3.
1.
Oh, lucky you.
1.
2.
Open, okay.
3.
I'm going to go with 33.
Burglar.
Ah, not the burglar.
2.
1.
Haha.
3. 3. 2.
1.
3.
All right. So we have 39, 58, 96.
2.
58, 96, 39, please. I got it! Yeah. Okay.
2.
1.
3.
1.
2.
1.
1.
Hunter, what's your quick pie? Kiss the girls and made him cry.
Yep, we got Hunter with us, Jay.
3.
Who we're very happy to have here. Okay, she's going with 21, 43, 87 as the combination. You fail!
That is a dead coat.
Okay.
1.
I'm gonna try 21, 87, 43.
2.
That is a dead code. Okay.
3.
43, 21, 87. Oh, I got it! So my run continues. $1,500 in cash. Now let's go play for the big money. Okay, we're gonna pick numbers 1 through 15. You know what, Hunter? We haven't had you in a video in a while. Why don't you pick a number between 1 through 15? Hunter? Hunter?
Hunter, are you there?
I think we lost him. You pick, Jay.
5.
$1,220. I'm at $2,720. I'm gonna keep going.
No.
Number 1. Burglar! Aw, man.
Sorry.
$1,500 this game, so a 2-game winning total of $3,100, which is okay. And I'll see you all for my next video coming soon.